DDG is probably one of the most successful black YouTubers of our generation. Now, to the grace of God, DDG has been able to share his own advice and the ways that he knows that YouTube works to make sure that everybody can go viral and get good results on YouTube.
With reactions, go do some reactions, some quick ones. Download OBS if you can, and just react.
So now a lot of people probably heard this advice, but probably didn't act on it. But me, I'm a little bit different. I'm over here trying to be successful on YouTube, and DDG is somebody I look up to, and he just gave us game, so I'm gonna try and see what it does. Okay, so starting with the first task, or you can even say advice, it's just posting. So I started off with a quick vlog. Now this vlog, it didn't do the best, but as we know what the algorithm is, you have to keep posting, and before you know it, your video should blow. Now DDG recommended doing any type of video styles and even reaction videos, but we're gonna get back to that soon.
3 days later.
Oh my gosh, if you guys couldn't see this for yourselves, y'all probably wouldn't believe it. But I stayed consistent and I kept uploading, and I finally got a video that hit the algorithm. So now with this video style, I'm gonna go on and double down on this and start to release shorts and other videos similar. And also remember those reaction videos? Well, we're gonna get back to that too.
The most views, how to make the most money. That's very, very reasonable. I understand. And there are steps and there are cheat codes to getting that. And I will be telling you that in this video. So first of all, the most important part of a YouTube video or any piece of content is the thumbnail. You can't say the title, but the title is second most important. The thumbnail is the most important part of a video. I repeat, the thumbnail is the most important part of the video. So say you do a prank on somebody, or say you just do a vlog or something like that. Before you even start filming that vlog, you should already have a thumbnail in mind. Okay, how am I gonna get these people to click? It's been times and times where I might post a vlog and in the thumbnail I'm crying, but in the video I'm not crying at all. It's because I know for a fact if somebody sees me crying on the thumbnail, they're gonna click it. They wanna know what I'm crying for. People love drama. That's what you gotta realize. People love drama. People love to see misfortune. People love to see just anything that's out of the ordinary or anything that's like problem related. That's why you see videos like I'm single and all that other stuff blow up so much, because it's obviously an emotional pull. So what you have to do is, before you finish a video, before you decide to turn off that camera, you got to remind yourself, I need to come up with a thumbnail to post. So you can just take a picture. You don't really have to edit anything. You don't have to do crazy thing. You don't have to download Photoshop. You don't have to learn how to do anything. I'm gonna show you how. I'm about to show you a picture that I took off my phone. If you got an iPhone and you got portrait mode, this is the best way to take thumbnails. Hey, yeah, I'm in the shower and shit, but this is how you do a thumbnail off your phone. Take it to portrait, put it in selfie mode. This right here is the classic DDG crying thumbnail. Check it out right there. Got the thumb. Drop it down. Hold your face. Cry. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody the sync trick. Nobody know that people still think I'm crying to this day. So don't tell nobody that. If you tell somebody that, I know you did it. So I'm gonna block you on my OnlyFans, and I'm gonna personally come whoop your ass. But yeah, y'all, the thumbnail is the most important part. Next is the title. Now the title must be captivating. The title can be, the more simple the title is, the more likely it is to get views. You gotta realize people don't like to read. This day and age, people are lazy. They don't like to read. They don't like to watch shit for too long. You gotta keep people entertained for every second that they click on your video. So once they click that video, that first 30 seconds has to be the most entertaining part of the video. So a cheat code that I use, I go through my video before I upload it. I grab the most intense piece from the video, throw that in the front, like it's like a little teaser, like a little trailer before the video starts. And then I start my intro, and then I start the video, just to let the viewer know, listen, nigga, I got a fire ass video for your ass. No girl. So before you post today, ask yourself, would I click on this? Is this something that no matter what I'm doing, if I'm scrolling through YouTube, no matter if I'm on my way to another video, am I gonna stop and click this shit? I don't give a fuck how to make Oreos. I don't give a fuck how to pick your teeth. I don't give a fuck how to make chicken Alfredo. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. If the chicken Alfredo ain't got a booty cheek in it, I'm sorry. I'm personally not clicking on it. It depends on what audience you're going for. If the chicken Alfredo ain't got some drama in it, I ain't clicking on it. It's that simple. Plain. Alright, I know this is OnlyFans and y'all usually come here for news and shit. So I'm finna get naked in this video. So make sure y'all scroll down, smash the like button. I'm just playing. Good joke. It was a good joke. All right, look. This is what I came here to tell y'all though. Free game, okay? I know it's a lot of y'all that probably don't like making long form content. And as I said before, previously in the DDG club, before you got here, out of all platforms, TikTok is the easiest platform to blow up on. You can be a nigga on the side of the street, don't matter what the fuck it is. If you get in that algorithm, you're gonna stay in the algorithm, you're gonna keep getting millions of views. Very, very easy, and it's real numbers, it's real people watching it. The For You page go crazy, okay? So with that being said, TikTok is like the #1 app right now out of all of the social medias. Anything, like that's literally, TikTok is all I watch, and I'm a YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? I watch TikTok more than any other app. So with that being said, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everybody's trying to compete with TikTok. And YouTube is starting to, they're trying to make a good competition. So I got some inside info that you probably can search yourself, but you don't know how to search it. That's why I'm here to tell you, okay? Starting February of next year, YouTube will start monetizing shorts, okay? Shorts is YouTube's form of TikTok. So what you do is, if you go on shorts, and that's all woo-wop watch. All woo-wop watch is shorts. So shorts is actually, it's a thing, you know what I mean? So start posting your shorts now.
Now, posting YouTube shorts for the last and final phase. And if you guys missed it, what we just watched with DDG was in fact a reaction. And this whole video itself is actually truthfully a reaction video. I actually just mixed a couple different concepts together to make a viral video, you guys. But back to the YouTube shorts. So I actually took off. It did really, really good. My short did way better than I expected. And if I can keep this pace up, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be reaching 1 million subscribers very, very soon. I got money in my pocket, walk in the club with an automatic. Yeah, I can buy the whole set, but I still be juice. Caught me a Draco, caught me a Nana, caught me an AK, come on banana.
It's Cost Finger, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling so light. I never wanna end it. They got me so high, and now I'm steady dancing. Oh girl, they thought I was loose, but I'm hard in school.
It's Cost Finger, baby.
On my soul, I won't go.